Hey tech lovers, if you're anything like me, you know just how crucial it is to have a reliable dashcam watching over your ride. Whether it's for catching picturesque road trips, protecting yourself from insurance fraud, or simply having that extra peace of mind, dashcams are the unsung heroes of our cars. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best dash cams you absolutely need to consider. And guess what? I've got all the product links neatly placed in the description below. Plus, don't forget to visit techiadvice.com for more in-depth reviews and comparisons of the latest tech gadgets. So buckle up, let's dive in. All right, friends, we've all been there. You're cruising down the highway, enjoying the drive, and bam! Something unexpected happens. It's times like these that you need a high-quality dash cam to capture every detail. In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 best dash cams on the market. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or someone who loves epic road trips, we've got the perfect dash cam for you. Now let's get started with our countdown. Number 5. Kicking off our list is the Red Tigger F7N Touch. This baby records in a stunning 4K UHD resolution with a Starvis 2 sensor and a 170 DG wide-angle view for the front camera, and a 1080p FHD resolution with a 140 DG wide angle for the rear. If you've ever struggled to capture clear footage at night, this dashcam's WDR and HDR technology is a game changer, giving you super night vision that makes low light recordings buttery smooth. Voice control and a touchscreen combo make it an absolute breeze to use, letting you keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Priced around $149.99, it's a solid investment with a built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video sharing and access. It even includes a 128 GB card right out of the box, so you're ready to go from day one. Plus, those 24-hour parking monitoring modes mean your car is protected even when you're not around. Talk about peace of mind. Number 4. Next up is the Red Tiger Dashcam Front Rear F7NP. This one records in Ultra HD 4K for the front and FHD 1080p for the rear, ensuring every detail is captured, from distant road signs to the tiniest license plates. With a super wide-angle view, 170 DG in the front, 140 DG in the rear, you'll have minimal blind spots. Its night vision capabilities deliver clear footage even in low light thanks to its HDR/WDR tech. And the price? Just $89.99, a serious steal considering the quality. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi make it super convenient to track your driving routes and share videos on the go. Even if you're parked, this dashcam has your back. With its 24-hour parking monitor, it's designed for ease and reliability, ensuring you get the evidence you need when it matters most. Number 3. Sliding into the third spot is the Rove R2 4K Dual. This sleek dash cam offers dual channel recording at 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear. It's got a 150D ultra wide angle for the front and a 140 DD angle for the rear, so you never miss a moment. Featuring the Sony IMX 675 Starvis 2 sensor, this cam shines with its super night vision capability. And with prices starting at $89.99, it's wallet-friendly too. The Rove R2 4K Dual comes with a free 128 GB micro SD card and supports up to a whopping 1 TB, so you'll never run out of storage space. Plus, its ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi lets you download videos directly to your smartphone at speeds up to 20 Mbps, making it easy to share your craziest on-road moments. With built-in GPS, it records real-time speed and driving routes, adding an extra layer of precision to your recordings. Number 2. In our runner-up position is the VIO-FO A229 Plus. This cutting-edge dash cam is the first to feature dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, offering unparalleled clarity with its 2K plus 2K front and rear recording capabilities. The HDR technology ensures that every detail is captured, even in fast-moving scenarios. With an affordable price tag of $229.99, it's an investment in safety and clarity. The A229 Plus supports hands-free voice control, adding an element of convenience that tech enthusiasts will love. Its quad-made GPS offers ultra-precise location tracking, and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures fast video transfers. Whether you're dealing with low light conditions or bustling city traffic, this dash cam delivers clear, reliable footage every time. Number 1. And finally, the top spot goes to the Vantrue N4 Pro 4K 3-channel dashcam. This powerhouse records in true 4K resolution and covers your car's front, interior, and rear simultaneously. Equipped with the latest Starvis 2 technology, its night vision is nothing short of cinematic. Priced at $379.99, it's the most premium option on our list, but for good reason. Vantrue's exclusive PlatePix technology ensures that even the smallest details are captured clearly, making it perfect for Uber drivers, daily commuters, and family road trips. It features smart voice control, a built-in GPS, and a faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection for seamless video access and sharing. This dashcam even offers 24/7 protection with multiple parking modes, ensuring your car is safe whether you're on the road or parked. It's a complete package, providing peace of mind with every drive. Thank you so much for joining me on this countdown of the top 5 best dash cams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech reviews and tips. And remember, all the product links are in the description below. For more detailed reviews and comparisons, head over to techadvice.com. Safe driving, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.